마시기는 kabel 부르워 동무자배 달리 나응하나요.
Jadi kamu mau jauh bubu kan kach. But I had to write it all down because there's a big language barrier. Cause yaar kadukilin bubu lo kajin pele. And I have to translate. And it was a lot. So today we're going to reveal Kabel rar kamaneangan nga. Hinam Katobar ko ayarangan Majol. Nitijela and Hilda. Kumi bod ilil kabeleo. And I'm pretty sure you guys expected me to be angry and fired up on here right now. But I'm not. And if I am, it's an inner fire, not an outer fire. So, Kabeleo merar tilunguntongan nga or attempted to man. Let me ask first. Hello, thank you. Cause I got yar. Wow, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. 5 pages of notes from the Buwun God. God damn. And make up your fucking minds, people. Thank you. Okay, so Kabel merar atan. First of all, bitch, check my Carfax. Not too long ago, I came on here, or actually, I've been on my platform sharing about my black magic experiences, how it feels, or what happens when people kabel you, or me. Okay, first of all, my own mom kabel me, agar kabele nga, for 11 years straight. 11 fucking years. Okay? And then after 11 years, 5 years from my baby daddy right after. I'm not new to this shit. This is all familiar. I already know all the mechanics of Kabel and black magic. That's why none of this shit scares me. At all. It pisses me the fuck off. Kaya Kabel merar kamaniatongan nga. It's the same one that they used on other politicians and other people in the community that try to make a big change. Right? Let me ask. Let me put my elbow in here because y'all be talking shit. Nitijela nga. Is it the same one that they use on other politicians and other people in the community? Yes. So let's reveal what the hell the Kabel is. Because this one, Hilda ordered this one for me. Yimrar kabelenga pengai yar chibangai olive rumajo. So that really goes to show Michael Kabua is dead. For real. We gotta pay attention and ask them, what are y'all doing with his body? What are y'all doing with his DNA? What did you just completely waste money on, Hilda? That desperate decision that you made and wasting money on, what did you do? Okay, so anyways. The black magic, the Kabel, that they put on me or tried to put on me was layered. I counted, it was like a total of 27 fucking spells. Rapid, like y'all sent it to me all at once. And you really thought it was gonna work? It didn't, obviously, because I'm up here. Okay. So, the black magic that they sent, or they tried to put on me, oh my gosh, because this is a list. There's a whole 2 pages. Try to drain my energy. Try to make me, tired, doubtful, and unable to fight back. Try to weaken my stamina and my confidence and my inner fire. You guys really thought I was a regular Marshallese citizen? That's my question. You guys really thought I was a regular Marshallese citizen? They try to silence my voice. So, okay, wait. Keep in mind, this is the same Kabel that they put on other politicians and other people in the community that wanted to make big change. Because we're going to, hold the fuck up, stop talking. I'm going over what the black magic spell they put on me. And then I'm gonna go over, what are their wants and intentions for RMI citizens. Dirty ass motherfuckers. Alright. And like I said, I had to take notes because it's a language barrier. And a lot of the things that they do to us is so it makes a lot of sense why mental health is not really a known topic in the Marshallese community, is because mental health is what the government preys on. Okay. Gosh. So all even Kabel again, Hilda, for me. First of all, they're weak. Their boo-boo is weak, they can't access shit. Tell them what you saw. Cause I can boo-boo what you found when you tried to boo-boo me. That's how strong my shit is. You're weak as well. Your Kabel is weak, your hand is weak. And at the same time, you're not the only one. You guys Nitijela is not the only one that knows how to kabel. Bitch, what's gonna happen if I do it back to you, Hilda? Because if I do it, I'm gonna do it with my own hands. All you do is bark orders. It's like that. Okay, you bitches try to drain my energy. You guys try to, like I said, pay attention. Whatever's on this list is the same kabel that they put on other politicians and other leaders in the community. Pay attention. Draining my energy, weakening my stamina, my confidence, and my inner fire. They try to make me tired, doubtful, and unable to fight back. They try to silence my voice, make me second guess my words, lose clarity, and make me feel unheard, okay? Try to isolate me, cut me off of community support and allies, okay? Try to kill my spark, dim my motivation. Warar ka yun pelere. Who tried to, my gosh, try to make me feel like I was unsupported, financially strained, abandoned. You guys try to disconnect me from my mind. I don't take lightly when I don't react nice at all. When people try to take my mind because my mom did that and my stupid ass baby daddy did that. For 16 years straight, who the fuck do y'all think I am? So all that training that I did when I was under my baby daddy, when he was torturing the living shit out of me for 6 years straight, that was all spiritual initiation for this, for you, Hilda, for you. Try to make me confused, doubt my intuition. How do you translate act impulsively into Marshallese language? You guys expected me to be reckless and messy on my platform. You guys expected me to speak fast and not make any sense so people can misunderstand me. Nice try, Hilda. Oh wait, let me double triple check because I want to see if your bitch ass is on here. You fucking old raggedy ass bitch. You know you can't dress worth a damn either. You dress like a man. Like you I don't like how you dress. I just want to get that out the way. You don't know how to dress for shit, Hilda. Is Hilda in this chat? Hell yeah, bring it on, bitch. Listen up, Hilda. You try to destabilize my life structure, my relationships, my plans, and my confidence. You try to make me unhappy. You try to block my peace and happiness. Bitch, I'm the only person here with my daughter. Who the fuck do you think I am? I'm not a regular Marshallese citizen, bitch. I was chosen to take your stupid ass down. And they've been training me for years. Rieto. You don't know me. Kolak pubuy ki nga, egar walo ke nga jigol pubuy ki kwe. Right? Kolak pubuy ki nga, ewalo ke, where was it? Your kabel didn't stick. Whatever the fuck y'all had planned for me, it failed. Because you guys tried to disconnect me from my intuition. My intuition is Rieto. They didn't take that shit lightly at all. Y'all think I'm just a regular Marshallese citizen running my mouth? No, bitch. I'm on a motherfucking spiritual mission, bitch. Feel it in my fucking voice. What else did you try to do? You try to increase me, overload me with stress. It didn't work. None of it worked. Because this is a total of 27 Kabels meshed into one. 27. And it's the same one that you have been using on other politicians and other leaders in the fucking community, bitch. Fuck you, Hilda. Old raggedy ass, pirtoto ass, can't dress worth a damn ass bitch. I'm mad now. Now I'm gonna be hella disrespectful because who the fuck do you think you are trying to destabilize my life? You don't know me. You don't know what the fuck I've been through to be able to stand on this fucking platform and take your stupid ass down, greedy ass bitch. Tell the people what the fuck you're doing with Majol Kabua's body. What the fuck are you doing with his DNA, bitch? You try to surround me with lies, manipulation, and hidden agendas. Whole time I don't have no friends out here, so you couldn't touch shit. Try to sabotage my independence, try to make me feel insecure, try to make me unable to stand alone. These are the same things that you put on other politicians and other leaders in the community. So if you're a former politician or a leader in the community, pay attention, because some of this shit has probably been hitting you. You try to disrupt my focus, my productivity, my progress. You try to strip me from support. It didn't work. Didn't fucking work. You tried to surround me with drama, arguments, tension. Try to, emotional manipulation. You try to influence my feelings and my emotional decisions. You try to break my spirit through betrayal. You try to give me anxiety, bitch. Tayin anxiety. Anxiety is nanin ejimorin kamilit. Anxiety feels like yukumugum forever. And you feel it right here in your chest. You try to attack my voice, try to mute my voice. None of it worked. So what's going to happen if I use my own hands and Kabel you, bitch? What the fuck is going to happen? Let me ask. Because now you turned me the fuck up. Y'all want to call me the black magic girl? Whole time I'm trying to save the people and there's other people trying to black magic me. Okay, cool. Let me do it too. I'm going to do it too. I don't give a fuck what y'all think. So in order to beat Nitijela, you got to fight magic with magic. Because bitch, you really thought. So let me ask. Ngay ikabele Hilda. Ekador kay lawayanan. Ngay ikabele Hilda. If I kabel Hilda, is her loa strong? No, it's not. No, the fuck it's not. Kaya ngir armijirin rakatyong kabelenga is my loa strong. Huh. Armijin me pubungan Hilda yung Nitijela. Ekajor kay payer? No. Armijin me kabel ngan Hilda yung Nitijela. Ekajor kay payer? Fuck no. Okay, so what about me? Is my hand stronger than everybody else's? Yes. Why? Because I'm tapped in. You're not. Fuck out of here. The only way to beat Nitijela and Hilda is to fight magic with magic, bitch. So if anything happens to you, think about me. I did it. And I'm going to tell you now before I even do anything else. Because who the fuck do you think I am? Try to block my path, my forward path. You try to break my future path and plans. It didn't work. Crazy bitch. So my last live, when I was doing boo-boo on my last live, I was being respectful. Because I was trying to help the people. But you want to attack me for helping the people? What the fuck does that make you look like? And what the fuck did you think I was going to do? Fold, bitch? I don't fold, I get mad. And when I get mad, it's not only my anger. It's the anger of the Rieto. You thought I was just fucking talking when I said I am backed by ancestors, bitch? Raggedy ass, birtoto ass bitch? You're like 87. That's how old you are. You're fucking expired. Your legacy is falling. Because wait till I get into what it said when I boo-booed. What does Nitijela want for our my citizens? Bitch. You try to confuse me with false options, distractions, illusions, conflict. Try to make me depressed. It did not fucking work. Okay, Kia. Let's try it again. Is everything that I'm saying on this live true? Is everything I'm saying on this live true? Thank you. You can't beat me, bitch. If I dealt with my mom first for 11 years, and then I dealt with my stupid baby daddy for 6, and then I had to deal with Jade's stupid ass, my goodness, and then all of a sudden I'm beefing with this old raggedy ass 87-year-old bitch. I don't give a fuck if that's your mom. I don't give a fuck if that's your grandma. Because money and politics don't mix. The fact that people are coming at me because you're attacking my relative, I don't give a fuck. That's why you don't mix money and politics. Money is Marshallese. Politics is American. You can't fucking mix the both. You can't mix the two. You cannot. That's why everything is fucked up right now. So let's get into what ta Katobar kaniyan adan Nitijela nga no libro Majol. Because I'm going to get you, Hilda. I'm going to get you. You really thought I was a regular Marshallese citizen talking on the internet. I'm not. I've been trained, spiritually trained. Y'all follow human law. I follow spiritual law, cosmic law, universal law. You cannot escape from karma. And that's exactly what you're trying to do right now. You're trying to escape karma. Karma don't miss, honey. That same shit. You're scared of that stuff. I'm not. I'm familiar with it, like I told you in the fucking message. I'm familiar with all that scary stuff that you don't even know what the fuck. It was just a desperate move. And you're wasting money making investments on some crazy ass fucking shit. Things that you can't even explain to the Marshallese people. That's why I haven't dropped the information yet. Because if I drop it, everybody's mind is going to fucking explode. It don't make no motherfucking sense. Because it's evil. What are you doing with Majol Kabua's body and his DNA? If you know, you know. Is anything I'm saying right now true? Yes. Fuck out of here. Okay. So let's get into Katobar kaniyan Nitijela ngan titijinin Majol. And please be prepared, because this shit is heavy. And it's very katurangrang as fuck. They want the people to be easily manipulated. They want the people to be easily manipulated. They want you guys to not question nothing. Trust blindly and follow orders without thinking. Okay, because how many? This is a whole 2.5 pages. Number 2, they want the people disempowered and dependent. No growth. They don't want the people to thrive. They don't want the people to be self-sufficient. They want everybody to be emotionally and materially dependent on them. They want the citizens to be intimidated by leadership. They give enough just to keep people grateful, but not enough for independence. Makes sense why everything in the whole economy of Marshall Islands is so fucked up. The politicians live a better life than the citizens. You want the citizens to serve you, but your actual job as a politician is to serve the fucking people, bitch. Look, I'm losing followers because the truth is hard. Fuck y'all. Or not followers, viewers. Because the truth is heavy to carry, bitch. I'm not going to keep carrying any of this shit. I'm passing it to all y'all. They give just enough to the people to keep the people grateful, but not enough for independence. They don't want forward movement. They don't want anybody to advance. They don't want anybody to escape this bullshit. They want everybody stuck. Stuck. Financially stuck and financially dependent on Nitijela. So they only give you enough to be happy, but they're never going to give you enough to be No, wait. I take that back. They only give you enough to be grateful, but they don't give you enough to be actually happy. They want citizens to be quick to anger, fear, and be quick to obey. Okay? They want citizens to be loyal, disguised as love and unity. They want citizens to be too scared to challenge authority. Okay? This is what I just said earlier. They want citizens to work for them, and they don't want the citizens to work for themselves, because working for them builds their fucking power. Right, Hilda? They want Marshallese citizens to be too drained to pursue personal goals, like Rakanana pukwaningatan, pukwanjab maronginatan, kamoni Katobar kaniyam. I'm Mary. Rakanana boy cheningatan boy in tabrak Katobar go air. You understand what the fuck I'm saying? They want unproductive in their own lives. There we go. They want citizens to be emotionally numb. Like, these are all emotionally numb. Like apathy. Hey, fuck you. I'm not asking you for shit. Block. I ain't got time for none of that. Emotionally numb. Dying easier to control. Okay, so apathy, right? Apathy is a mental health word. Apathy is an emotion. Apathy means you're just numb. You're not excited, but you're not depressed either. You're just, I don't want to do nothing really. That's what they want Marshallese people to be. Because if you are emotionally numb, you cannot pursue your own fucking goals. What else? In Majol confused. Misinformation. Okay? They want the citizens to live under unfair systems, injustice. They want injustice to be normalized. Do y'all understand what the fuck that means? Oh my gosh, what is the injustice word? Lokajin Majol. We don't even have that word. They want citizens financially limited. Only enough to survive, but never enough to thrive. Okay? No unity, no happiness. Pain makes people compliant. Ipen rumajo. Kawarong. Oh my God. Injustice. Thank you. Oh, corruption. Thank you. Citizens. They want citizens. No, okay? Like, I feel like I just lost a whole 20-some viewers because y'all are at Majol. Y'all feel this shit. Y'all are experiencing it right now as I'm talking about it, right? That's why y'all can't hang. Because you don't know what the fuck to do next. Tercep kanan berumah renatan. Aine man. Pengi cica aine man melele nege cemarong adan cemarong dukun kamani Katobar kani are yang magi. Ecep Katobar kanian Nitijela. Like literally, they play on our minds so fucking bad. No boundaries. They don't want Marshallese citizens to have any inner peace or clarity. What the fuck does that mean? Recep kanan bojen aineman yum recep kanan bojen clear mag an dan merong ar. God, hold on. They don't want us to have clarity. Recep kanan bojen clear ar kalamen lagi jan. There we go. Ano ba? Please hold. I gotta get my child some water. Okay. No ba raganana boy atan. Judi janin majoran loge what air. Recep kanan boy rumajoran lelak jabarot kain kachidak. Raganana boy rumajoran chamelele kanolap kain. Raganana boy rumajoran chen kwalak nganir what the hell we got going on, but they don't want to tell us what the hell they got going on. Crazy bitch. All of it men kain ngai kanna nagaga, is it true? Is it a mall men kain ngai kanna nagaga? Thank you. Is Hilda still in the motherfucking chat? Yeah, bitch. Thank you. Is Hilda scared as hell right now? Yep. It's gonna be me and you, bitch, until the end. My gosh. All of it all falls under fear. Fear. Raganana boy rumajoran mijak boy ranche bulelak jabarot kain kachitak. Boy rumajoran chep kachitak jabarot kain me ni kwalak melele. What else? Literally, like, exhausted. They want people to be too tired to resist. That makes so much damn sense. Like, all right. Let me follow my gut. What is going on in Hilda's mind right now in this very moment? What is going on in Hilda's mind right now in this very moment as she's watching my shit? Crazy bitch. Unstable temperament. You can't hold your mood right now, huh? Got ill intentions. Hold up, let me cut making hammock. Now I'm mad. Like, y'all really thought that I was just a regular Marshallese citizen talking on the internet. What is Hilda thinking and feeling right now in this very moment as she's watching my motherfucking shit? You're trying not to make rash decisions right now because every rash decision you've ever made really fucked you over, especially when it comes to me. You have a dangerous lack of control right now. Restless. You're restless. You're scared. You're scared. You scared as hell. You feel betrayed, exhausted. You mad as fuck right now. You full of resentment. This is a painful ending for you, Hilda. Your heart is hurting. Oh, who gives a fuck? Vicious, dishonest. This is how you're feeling right now, huh? Huh, Hilda? Right now? Who the fuck you think you playing with, bitch? What is Hilda thinking and feeling right now as she's watching my shit? You trying so hard to keep control of this whole situation. You lost control of the situation, crazy bitch. This is the end of your stagnation. Like, you cause a lot of stagnation to the whole country. What is on Hilda's mind right now as she's watching my shit? You want to run away so fucking bad. You feel so weak. You thought you was strong against me, crazy bitch? Kumiyar kacang pubugi nga ko. Awala lo pubugi na kaya ngay pubugi ko. You gonna try to focus on the future. You don't even know what the fuck to come, because every time you think you have a good plan for the future, I always come out the way. Yeah, discomfort. So many problems right now. You got so many problems. You wasted money on a dumbass project trying to do some crazy ass shit with Majol Kabel's fucking body, bitch. What else? Like, do you understand who you fucking with, Hilda? What else with Hilda? What is Hilda gonna do next after this? Let's ask. What is Hilda gonna do next after this? Because the bitch don't know what the fuck to do next. You thought you was 10 steps ahead, bitch. I'm 30 steps ahead. Y'all ain't stronger than me. You try to send me all those kabels and it didn't work. Didn't fucking work a single fucking shit. Not a damn, my goodness. Yeah, Hilda's about to do some crazy ass shit next. You don't know who to trust anymore. Indecisive behaviors. You're just going to be moving off of impulse. All impulse behaviors. I'm speaking English to you, bitch. Because if English is the best way I could really explain to you who the fuck you're fucking with, listen to me now, ho. Fuck a female president. Bitch, you a puppet. Bitch, weren't you like a school dean before this? Who the fuck picked you? Puppet ass bitch. Fuck you, Hilda. This is the downfall. Like, you don't want good for the people. You insecure. You can't dress worth a damn. I keep telling you this. You cannot dress. You could be investing in your wardrobe. I hate how you dress. It bothers me so damn much. Like, what do your shoes look like? What do your toes look like? Raggedy ass toes and shit. Self-sabotage. Ooh, abuse of power, aggression, bullying, violence, crime. Hilda about to do some more behind the scenes bullshit to fuck the people over. Oh, I got a good question. Hilda. Because bitch, you really thought you could order all these black magic spells on me, and you thought it was gonna work because it's the same one you used on other politicians and other leaders in the community that wanted actual change. You're so fucking desperate for money and control and power that you kept a dead man's body in the freezer for 2 months and he's still in there. Doing immoral things to a dead body when he should be resting. You're so fucking ruthless. He died 2 months ago and you told everybody in Nitijela to not even tell their own family. Tell his own family. Like, that's how much of a dirty ass bitch you are. Dirty bitch. What's coming next for Hilda Heine? What's coming next for Hilda Heine? Especially for trying to black magic me, bitch. Do you know who I am? I sit in high spiritual rank over you and the stupid ass Rububu and Kabel on your fucking team. What's coming next for Hilda Heine? Oh wait, that's for me. Oh, not for me. This is for me, not for me. I got good things coming, bitch. What's coming next? Tana itongan Hilda chen kiyoy metal. Tana iton walangan Hilda chen kiyoy metal. You want your free reading, bitch? Here's your free reading. What's coming next for the president of the Marshall Islands? You think you're all that because you You're the first female president. That's why politics and money don't mix, because y'all think, oh, remember when Hilda first became president and anybody who shared a political opinion about her, they was like, ah, don't disrespect her. As if the bitch is a leroch. Bitch, you're a fucking puppet. You don't like, the fuck? Hilda's gonna experience setbacks and delayed progress on me. Do I need to block you, Nathan? Hilda. Retirement is coming, bitch. You greedy as fuck. You're materialistic. How are you materialistic and you can't dress? Like, you still do. You could have at least been a fashion icon, but bitch, you cannot dress. This is the funniest thing I style. Legal entanglements are coming, bitch. Injustice is coming. Harsh judgment is coming. Lack of proper balance is coming, bitch. Insecurity, bigotry, entanglements. What's coming for Hilda Heine? And remember, you wanna kabel me, a bitch, I'ma kabel you too. You're next, Hilda. And I'ma say it out loud. Cause bitch, how fucking dare you? You're gonna be indecisive behaviors. You just gonna be untrustworthy, dishonest, vicious. Whoever's working around Hilda Heine right now, she's about to get mean as fuck. She gonna be mean as hell to y'all. What's coming for Hilda Heine? Self-deception. Ego. Depression is coming, bitch. Mental health problems is coming, bitch. Violence. Greed. Temptation. Self-deception is the loudest one. Whatever the hell you're gonna try to do is gonna backfire. Because there's Riato behind me, bitch. Loss is coming. False beginnings is coming. Your downfall is happening now. Pertana ito walangan Hilda. Pertana ito walangan Hilda. Error in judgment. Ooh. Excuse me. Is Hilda about to get spiritually punished for what she did to me? Thank you. Molagay menin Ria Toro return punish Hilda. Is it Riato that's gonna punish Hilda? Thank you. Kaya consequences gonna yan Hilda raja kaya to ko janan por nanan terapal ngan oli brumado. Yes. Is Hilda Heine's intuition? Wait. Will Hilda Highness intuition be blocked from this point forward? Will Hilda Highness intuition be blocked from this point forward? You ain't gonna have no clarity. You're not gonna know Andrea the one man luck. Why do you think your mind has been so scattered in the last few days? Why do you think you keep trying to figure out what to do next and it's not coming? I fucking love it. Cause bitch, you thought. Alright, let's ask the friggin' pendulum a bunch of questions. When I say I have Riato behind me, am I fucking lying? No, Patty. Nobody gets a fucking free reading. Y'all pay. Fuck out of here. This shit takes energy. I gotta tap into your shit. And sometimes y'all's energy is so fucking heavy that when I give you readings, I suck up that energy, my damn self, in order to be able to read it and translate it back to you. Don't ask me for another fucking free-ass reading. That shit is crazy as hell. That's the problem with y'all martialies. Y'all want free shit all the motherfucking time. Oh my god, I love what you do. Okay, I charge. Oh, never mind, I don't want it. Fuck out of here. Free reading my ass. That's so offensive. What the fuck do I look like? Free services? I'm only, this right here is free because it's for the community. But if you want one-on-one, it's $55. Shit. Because I have customers. They be looking at all this shit happening. They're like, wow, these people are crazy because your boo-boo is actually accurate as fuck. I've helped 3 or 4 people reveal Kabel. Okay? I've had customers that come to me and their dead relatives come too, and they come and talk to them. Okay? I hear and feel dead people. So when I say Riato is with me, I'm not fucking joking. And run all my old content back. I had to suffer in order to be able to hear them. Y'all got me fucked up. So, when I say ngay kuyong pa Riato red peripa ngay jiga riap. Ngay jiga riap. Ngay jiga riap ngay juba Riato red peripa. No. My goodness. If you guys see a business owner in the martialese community, you're supposed to support them 100% full price. So if I have a cousin that I grew up with and my cousin has a business, I'm always going to pay full price. I don't ask for discounts. All y'all ask for fucking discounts all the damn time. That's why everybody's stuck at the bottom, because y'all keep each other at the bottom. Okay. Is this the beginning? Is this the beginning of Hilda's downfall? Yes. Yes. And I'm looking forward to it. It's a slow burner, baby. It's a slow burner. It might not happen immediately, but in due time, bitch, your ass is out. You a false matriarch. You're just like Carrie Eilig Moorhead. That dumbass airhead bitch that acts like she's smart as hell. Okay, just cause just cause you're the first female president, No, bitch, you're just the first fucking female puppet. Shut the fuck up. Is Hilda still in this chat right now? This is for you. You always gonna be in this damn chat. You don't want to reply to my messages, though. Crazy ass bitch. How long have I been on here? I don't even remember. Lord, I'm not trying to be on here for too long. So you hear that? Is this the last time Hilda's gonna have this much power over the country and people? And plus, I've been sober. I have not smoked marijuana in like a week. So my intuition is so damn clear. Very clear and sharp. And girl. They don't want the people to be empowered. Point blank, period. And they cabel me because I help the people. Okay? And because you cabel me, bitch, I'm going to cabel you too. And I'm going to say it out loud. Yes? The best way to defeat the Marshallese government is to fight magic with magic. So, Hilda, if anything happens to you in your life, it was me and my ancestors. It was me and Riato. Chinkiyo imatal. Kuarkanan kachong kabele nga, I'm going to kabele you too. And I'm going to say it out loud again and again and again. Hilda and the fucking Nitijela kabel me. The freaking presidential cabinet. Let me ask again. Aramidjanamid pubungan Hilda yum Nitijela. Ekajorga payer. Aramidjanamid pubungan Hilda. Ekajorga payer. No. Aramidjanamid kabelangan Hilda yum Nitijela. Ekajorga payer. No. Okay, what about me? Is my boo-boo the strongest Marshallese boo-boo? Boo-boo Ao. Is it the strongest Marshallese boo-boo in the motherfucking world? Yup. Okay, thank you. Ngay kabel aramit, ngay kanan kabel aramit. Ini jaga kajor kabel Ao chanolet. Y'all want to play with me? I'm going to play with you back. Yeah, I'm going to do it. Y'all want to keep calling me the Black Magic Lady? I'm going to be that. I'm going to be that, bitch. Because you fucking turned me the fuck up. Okay. Loa eo. Ekajorge loa eo jen ole brumajo. Why you think you couldn't touch me, bitch? Okay, so let's ask about Hilda's loa. Loa yanan Hilda. Ekajorge jen adan my loa. My protection. No. Play with me if you want to. And you did. So I'm gonna fuck with you back. Everybody wanna call me the Black Magic Lady? Okay, cool, I'm gonna be that. Cause y'all talking shit to me after the fucking Nitijela kabel me? Oh yeah. Cause my thing is emano de pa uno. Uno yung kamanedan loa. Everybody keeps trying to kabel me. Bitch, I'm going to do it back to all y'all. I am now. Y'all keep calling me Kabel the Black Magic Lady. Yeah. Yes. Yes, I'ma be that now. I'm gonna fucking be that now. You turn me up. When I say you made me fucking angry, bitch, this is what I mean. I have the ability to be in the darkness. I can play in the darkness and be better at it than all you motherfuckers. But I choose not to because I have a pure heart and I want to help Marshallese people. But the way y'all keep fucking doing me, first my mom, then my stupid ass baby daddy, and then now the motherfucking Nitijela, the whole country's fucking government. Yes, I'm going to do that too, bitch. So all y'all trying to make fun of me, especially you, Tannen Nathan, with the fake ass boo-boo shit, bitch, you better watch it. I know you're joking, but you better fucking watch it. And all y'all motherfuckers that talk shit about Tale, talk shit about Rabaga's lineage, talk shit about me, and anybody that has to do with me, bitch, all y'all fucking watch it. Now I'm gonna do Kabel, bitch. Now I am. Ijala kelen kaman loa. Ijala kelen jibang aramej wuno. Ijala kelen wuguk pidpit. Menaka inoch. Ijab kujonka jibwe Kabel because one time yar jibwe Kabel. And the ancestors dragged my ass. They took me to jail multiple times for playing with black magic. But now I'm going to utilize black magic for protection, bitch. I'm getting all you horrible ass fucking community leaders, Nitijela members. I'm gonna get all y'all motherfuckers. Cause to find out that this is what y'all do to other politicians that actually do change in this community. And this is the same shit that y'all do to community leaders that try to make a change. You guys scuppered all of them, bitch. I'm on that ass like white on rice. Hey, no, there's no free individual services on my life. If you want a boo-boo, you're gonna have to hit my inbox. $55. I ain't playing with y'all. Run me my motherfucking money the same way y'all like to run your fucking mouth. How about that? So in order to defend myself, in order to stop this evil ass bitch from ruling over Marshall Islands, you gotta black magic that bitch too, bitch, and I'm coming after you, bitch. Hilda fucking Heine, I'm coming after that ass. Cause you try to disconnect me from my ancestors and my lineage, they did not take that shit lightly at all. Cause you think you're in power that much over people and their lives. It's not my anger. Listen to my voice. It's going to be me and it's going to be Rieto. So when I talk like this, it's not just fucking me. Feel that shit. I got all my ancestors right here. And the loudest one that I hear all the time, Darlene. She was the last person to go against the motherfucking government. And what did they do to her? I am that. I'm the strongest Marshallese. Rububu, Bruno, Yumkia, Aaron, Brugabel. I'm gonna be that. Y'all keep calling me that? Yeah, I'm gonna be that now. That's my warning. So all you corrupt ass politicians and stupid ass, corrupt ass community leaders, I'm coming after all y'all. All y'all. And sometimes if you pay attention to my life, I'm gonna do magic all my life too, bitch. I'm gonna be that. I'm mad. That's how mad I am. Because this whole time I come from a lineage of healers, not kabelers. But now I'm gonna do it. And that's that. So Hilda, again, let me tell you for the fifth time, if anything happens to you, from this point forward, it was me and my ancestors. You have no intuition. Your sight is gone. This is the true start of your downfall, Hilda. And you think I'm motherfucking playing. I used to be like, oh my God, I don't want nobody to be scared of me. Yeah, be scared of me now, bitch. Now y'all can be scared of me. Because y'all made me super snap. I snapped when my baby daddy did what he did. When I found out that crazy ass shit that my baby daddy did to me, I snapped. But finding out that the Marshallese government was attacking me, oh, I super snapped. Now, parang nga Kabel giya. I know some shit. No, I'm not going to check. Whiteo Asher. Yok, wow, lale mo kay war kaya production, lowa. No, you get in my motherfucking inbox and you pay for that shit. I'm not giving no fucking free services to y'all unless y'all run me my motherfucking money the same way y'all run your fucking mouth about me. We don't need to go to Majol to take the president down, because where the mind goes, the body follows. I'm the spark. I'm the spark of the lighter. Whoever's in position, whoever's in the right position to do what they need to do, they already know what the fuck to do. Light this bitch on fire and burn it the fuck down the same way the Nitijela building burned down too. Okay? Now I'm mad. Because you really thought that Kabel was going to get me, bitch. No, it turned me up. When people try to send Kabel to me, it's like my energy, my loa transfers it. It transfers it into gas. It transforms it into gas. And it gasses me the fuck up. And it turns me the fuck up. So when I said I got something for that ass, oh yeah, I'm gonna Kabel you two back. Alright, Hilda. Fuck you, bitch. This is the start of your downfall. Give it time. Bye.